appeal to my government. Give this bill a chance.
Symbud Myntri rangba badai pejru ikitnat ke kampo yeng uba Preston tensong. Ulay thu Hapoh ke yeng darba thawan hagasngi baar ba ke East Khasi Hills District kedai ke babun tam ki kam Beaiñ kat kum belalum jingtip Naduh Snem arhajar arpau hadu Snem arhajar arpulai ha bakila dan palat ya ka san hajar shispa khandai pun riu ki jingjang. Haba jubab ke jingkeli bala keli de unong thau an ke seng UDP uba mineral bonds im ha ka kenta keli jingkeli ha ke ni ga dorba sanrai ka barang ya chaprang menta uba ten song loong baka sarkar kla shim kattu ka nitli ki sian jam bantia la kam ki kam Beaiñ ha ke ni ga jala barkum jo ru banile persha ki kam man persha ki kenthai
affected women including police facilitation, legal counselling, psychosocial counselling, medical aid and temporary shelter have been set up in 11 districts of the state. Women help desk to facilitate crime reported by women and children has also been set up in various police stations across the state. Crime scene unit comprising of experts from the State Forensic Science Laboratory and the Fingerprint Bureau has also been constituted to assist the investigating officer, especially in cases relating to crime against women and children.